Greg Marchand here. You auto repair shop owners, how can you fail in April? Same way you could fail in every other month, it seems. Not paying attention. Not paying attention to that daily schedule. Not using this time right here, right now to implement process. Look, if you're not real busy yet or you're just starting to ramp up, now is an awesome time to implement those new processes, especially at the service counter, so that they can be tested, they can be modified, and as the end of the month starts to roll in, we start to stress the system a little bit and we get to see how well is this process going to work. May, June, July, August, not good times to implement new process. March and April, really good times. So you can fail in April by not paying attention to marketing, not paying attention to keeping your schedule full, not paying attention to personnel needs, and not using this time wisely, especially when it comes to creating and implementing new processes. Okay? So add this to your April chores and think about what do we need to do to get ready for the busy season. Go get on it.